What up guys, Mikael here from Yugatech, and the foldable smartphone market has had its fair shares of ups and downs since its infancy. But building off the success of the HUAWEI Mate X6, where we saw a refined and polished dual fold experience, HUAWEI takes it a step further with the HUAWEI Mate XT, the world's first commercially available trifold smartphone. Pretty sick. So whether you're using it as an ultra-portable computer with a Bluetooth keyboard, enjoying an immersive Netflix experience, reading PDFs and documents on the go, or multitasking like never before, the HUAWEI Mate XT sets a new standard. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. Creating a trifold smartphone is no easy task, which is why HUAWEI deserves all the praise for turning this into a reality. Jumping into its incredible design, the HUAWEI Mate XT embodies cutting-edge innovation, elevating the boundaries of what a folding smartphone can be. Handling it for the first time can be a little bit daunting or even overwhelming, but like any piece of consumer technology, it's pretty easy to figure out. The Mate XT is the thinnest trifold smartphone in the industry at just 3.6 millimeters when fully unfolded. So much so that it's as if the USB Type-C port over here was the only reason they couldn't make it any thinner. Just look at this B-roll of it next to a normal non-folding phone. Pretty wild. The advanced hinge system was key in making this concept a reality. HUAWEI prides itself by claiming they're the only ones in the market capable of supporting both inwards and outward folds with their hinges over here. Which is why only HUAWEI has been able to commercialize a true trifold smartphone, and why we have this video in the first place. Not to mention, 100% of its core components, that's the hinge and the frame that encapsulates the whole phone, are made with ultra-high strength steel, which does prove well for its durability. Found on the right, whether folded or unfolded, are the Mate XT's physical buttons. The power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner and the volume rocker. Up top, there's an infrared blaster for using it as a universal remote. You could dual wield the remote, or you can just use it as a single normal solo phone like so, click click. And found at the bottom is the dual nano SIM card tray, a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfers. We also get noise cancelling microphones for calls and speakers on both the top and bottom sides of the device, so up here and down there. Our review unit is in the nice Iron Man red option, which features gold accents all over. The red they chose for the vegan leather rear panel leans more towards a burgundy, which just contrasts so well with the gold motifs. We also get some really nice patterning here around the rear camera bezel, which I think is a nice touch. And for something that fully unfolds to a size of a tablet, there's definitely a lot of nice symmetrical design choices going on when it is folded. Either way, if that hot rod red pops out too much for you, there is also a Wakandan black for those who want something more stealthy. Overall, we really like the design cues from the HUAWEI Mate XT. It balances cutting-edge hinge engineering with design choices that feel equally safe and bold at the same time. I mean, it is the first of its class at the end of the day. Moving on, the HUAWEI Mate XT obviously offers an unmatched visual experience. With its huge 3K 10.2-inch LTPO OLED display, again, that's the unfolded panel that just takes binge-watching video content and playing games on a phone to the next level. When folded up, each third of the display measures 6.4 inches diagonally, which feels a lot more natural compared to other foldables in the market. Which also means that when we do utilize the full display, it's about 9 times bigger than that of a regular smartphone. Its refresh rate goes as high as 90 Hz and as low as 60 Hz on this panel. But with a spanking new trifold smartphone, another key highlight from the huge display has to be its multi-view-in-one experience, allowing seamless transitions between different fold states, whether it's folded, dual folded, and fully unfolded. to suit various use cases. It is worth mentioning that we can only use split screen between two apps or two windows, but with pop-up windows and the extra screen real estate, I didn't really feel it as a hindrance. But what's the point of a super portable 10.2-inch display without good audio, right? Well, we're happy to report that, unsurprisingly, Huawei got that right here too. Audio output from the stereo speaker setup sounds phenomenal, especially so with the display. All in all, it's pretty much a pocketable personal cinema with the HUAWEI Mate XT. Good stuff. Jumping into optics, Huawei integrates its cutting-edge ultra-aperture X-Mage camera system into the Mate XT, delivering flagship-level photography and videography. We get 3 camera sensors at the rear. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel camera that gets PDAF OIS and a nifty adjustable aperture where we can see the blades as they open up from f4 to f1.4. Next to it is the 12-megapixel periscopic telephoto sensor that also gets PDAF and OIS support and serves as its 5.5x optical zoom. And at the bottom left is the 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor that also gets PDAF support, but no OIS because, again, it's an ultra-wide. Checking out some sample shots, the Huawei Mate XT takes the best of what it can from their existing mobile photography powerhouses like the Pura 70 series. We get a wide range of camera features here like speed snapshot for capturing fast-moving subjects while still retaining focus, as well as macro photography. Images come out very nice when using the main and telephoto cameras, with some fall-off and overall sharpness for the ultra-wide sensor. We can use the main cameras for selfies since this is a foldable smartphone at the end of the day. For video, the Mate XT is capable of shooting up to 4K 60p for the main cameras and 4K 30fps for the front-facing camera. Powering the Huawei Mate XT is a 5600 mAh silicone anode battery, which is also a big contributing factor for how they were able to get the device so thin. The battery itself is only 1.9 millimeters thin, which is freaking wild. In my testing, it lasts a whole day of use, but I still feel like having to charge at the end of the day just so I don't have to do so the next morning. Either way, luckily, it also charges pretty fast with 66 watts of Huawei Supercharge and 50 watts of wireless supercharge for convenient high-speed wireless charging. In our PC Mark Work 3.0 battery testing, the Huawei Mate XT lasted 19 hours and 39 minutes folded and 11 hours and 16 minutes unfolded, which are both great scores in general for a Generation 1 product. All in all, in our opinion, the Huawei Mate XT is designed for those who demand the cutting edge of consumer technology. For the time being, owning one is definitely a luxury and a flex. No pun intended. Imagine, professionals in face-to-face business meetings can dish out this tri-folding smartphones from their jacket pockets as like an icebreaker, and tech gurus can just rave about how they own the first commercially available trifold phone all they want in their blogs and to their friends. And with that said, Huawei has once again set a new benchmark in the smartphone industry, proving its leadership in hardware advancements. While the Huawei Mate X6 positioned itself as a premium yet affordable dual-fold smartphone, the Huawei Mate XT is an unparalleled achievement in the ongoing history that is foldable smartphone technology. I mean, at this point, only Huawei has mastered the art of the trifold, making this a revolutionary device that pushes boundaries like never before. For those of you wondering, the Huawei Mate XT with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage should already be up for pre-order and will be available for purchase in the Philippines sometime in March. At the time we recorded this video, we still do not have the official local pricing as of yet, but in Europe, it goes for 3,499 euros, which roughly converts to 213,000 pesos. And well, that's a lot of money. So for those of you who invest in the Huawei Mate XT, there are some exclusive after-sales offers you guys would like to know. So to cap this off, the Huawei Mate XT isn't just a smartphone. It's the future of mobile technology. So, are you ready to unfold the next generation of innovation? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it educational, helpful, informative, or even a little bit fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is the HUAWEI Mate XT, the first commercially available Trifold smartphone. And I'm Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.